Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me Abdurrahman, and you are watching YouTube channel Basic English Grammar with Abdurrahman. Today was the topic which we will discuss, and today's video is about adverb of manner. What is an adverb of manner? In this video we will have to have discussion over this topic, and we will have to understand this topic through its definition and examples as well. But before we start this topic, it is requested to you guys to like and subscribe Basic English Grammar with Abdurrahman, so that you receive every new video about grammar at right time. So let's get started at what is adverb of manner, right? So first we have to look at the definition, that what is an adverb of manner. That adverb of manners are those adverbs which show how an action takes place or happens, right? Simple, it talks about that how an action takes place. It's also talk about that the way of happening actions, right? So simply we will have to understand this topic through the example. So let's take a few examples, then you will understand it properly, right? For example, Ahmad fights bravely. Ahmad fights bravely. It means here bravely, it's an adverb of manner, that how the action of fighting of Ahmad happens, right? It happens in a very brave way, right? So here it talks about this bravely, that Ahmad fights bravely. So it is what? It is an adverb of manner here, right? Next example, that is the boy works hard. Now the boy works hard, it means that the way of happening an action of Ahmad, that is what? That is very hard, right? So hard is what? It is adverb of manner, right? Let's take another example, that for example, Muhammad reads clearly. Muhammad reads clearly means that the way of reading or the happening of action, that is what? Reading, that's what? Clearly, right? So this is what clearly here, it means that the action happens clearly in a soft manner, right? This is what? This is an adverb of manner. It talks about that how an action happens, and you have seen examples in this video. If still you have any confusion in your mind, you can ask question in the comment box. I will answer you there. Thank you very much for watching video.